In this video, we are going to see one important problem. So first let us go into the question. The question is like the relation between the input x of t and the output y of t of a causal system is given as d like d square y of t by dt square plus dy of t by dt minus 20y of t minus 2x of t plus 5 d of x of t by dt. So this is the question given. Then find the impulse response. What they given in the question? It is given as input and output y of t, and question as like this. We need to find the impulse response. Okay. Now this is what we need to find, right? So in order to find this, now let us go into the solution. Okay, first this is the h of t, like system response is h of t, like Laplace transform of h of t is like x of t is the input and y of t is the output. Okay, x of t is input and y of t is output, right? Then h of t is like y of t equals to x of t into h of t, like input into system, which is the y of t. Then in Laplace, like in the frequency domain, which is like y of s equals to x of s into h of s, like h of s. Okay, now when we send the x of s to the bottom of y of s, then we will get the h of s, right? Like h of s is equals to y by x. Okay, then law inverse of h of s will be the h of t. Okay, law inverse of frequency domain of h will give the time domain h, right? H is the impulse response. Okay, nothing but when you solve this and when you calculate the law inverse for this, we will get the h of t, which is nothing but the impulse response. Okay, write the given question. The given question as it is were written here. This thing is detailedly covered in the Laplace transforms. Okay, Laplace transform video you can check in the I button, you will find it. Okay, just a 1 hour video. Definitely you will get a good score after watching that video. I hope you will see. Now from that Laplace, we can write this thing like d square dt square is like s square. If we are writing this as s square, means we can write this thing as s, okay, minus 20 y of s equals to same thing for the x of t also, x of s 5 s of, this is only a single term, right? Like s x of s. Okay, from this take the y of s common, then we are left over with s square s minus 20, and here take the x of s common, then here we are left over with minus 2 and 5s. Okay, y of s x of s taken come y of s bottom 2, like under the bottom of y of s taken come the x of s like this. Then this term will move into the right side, right? Like this it will be. Now h of s, something, it is a quadratic equation, right? Find its roots. Like when we simplify this thing, we will get like s plus 5 s minus 4, remaining numerator as it is. Okay, let take this as individual term, like a by s plus 5 and b by s minus 4. Now let us find the a and b. Okay, so in order to find the a and b, equalate the denominator. When you equalate, so you will get like this. Now take and come a and b as common, like this you will get, and separate the constants. Now compare a plus b which is equals to the 5. When you do so, you will get a and b. Okay, this is a very easy part. Now here you can take this step like this, or I will show you one trick. Okay, these people missed with this trick. S minus 4 plus b s plus 5. Okay, let s equals to 4 here. Okay, then a becomes 0, right? A becomes 0. Now here b equals to the 9b. Here 5 into 4, 20 minus 2, which is 18, means b equals to obviously 2. Okay, now same way let s equals to minus 5. If we kept minus 5 here, then b becomes 0, minus 5 minus 4, which is minus 9, and minus 5 into 5, which is minus 25, minus 25 minus 2, which is like minus 27, minus 27, sorry, then minus minus get cancelled, a becomes 3. Okay, now a is 3, b is 2. So you can use this step or you can use this step. Okay, anything you will get. Finally we need a and b. Okay, write the things over the separated one, like h of s now become 3 by s plus 5 plus 2 by s minus 4. For h of t, we need to make the law inverse of this, right? Law inverse of h of s. Then law inverse of h of s is nothing but the h of t. Now, in order to make this law inverse, we need to make this thing also, right? Like law inverse 3 by s plus 5, 2 by s minus 4. When you simplify this, you will get law inverse of this thing means e power minus 5t. So here plus means here minus e power minus t u of t. So in the Laplace video, we will just take e power minus 5t only plus 2 e power 4t. Here the changes in the signal system, you need to add the thing like u of t. Okay, simple. There and here a small changes will be, simply add u of t. So this is how the impulse response will be calculated. I hope you got the idea, because in many examinations the paper will get the question with impulse response. Okay, so that's why I am preparing this video. People requested me to make this video. I hope you got the idea how we need to calculate the impulse response for the given system. If you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you for watching this.